So far so good in building this new product. And I finished the 12 pages. If you don't know what I'm talking about, there'll be a link above my head for yesterday's video, and watch it because it'll explain what this is all about. So I'm creating a new product, and I'm going to give half of it away. You'll see what I mean. So I finished the pages, I uploaded to Amazon S3, and I worked on ThriveCart, and I'll show you what I did inside. It's pretty cool. And I have everything here. So be sure to watch the previous video explaining what's happening. I'm Brian Toder with PLR Ideas, where I talk about PLR, use PLR, and how to make money with PLR. And be sure to get my PLR checklist. There's a link in the description. Click on it, get to this page, and get this amazing checklist on how to find the best PLR, how to create products, and make money with PLR. So be sure to get that cheat sheet, and you'll get on my email list to stay in tune with what I'm doing. And you really want to see what I'm doing because I'm showing you how to get good PLR, and there'll be some future videos about that, but I have done some videos already about that. It'll be above my head. So watch those, and I'm going to take one of Jimmy Brown's PLR products that I spent $100 for, and through these short videos, I will show you exactly what I'm doing, creating a new product out of it. And this is really easy because only a few things needed to be changed, and I'll show you what I'm doing. So get on that email list, and I'll see you inside. So here's the entire product from Jimmy D. Brown. And what I did was I took a number of these that I made up, and I made a folder separately, and this is what I have now. So these are the original cheat sheets, and I'll now show you how I changed 12 of these sheets, these cheat sheets. It was very easy. I'll speed it up. It'll just be like a minute, and you'll see what I'm doing. I'm using Photopea, and for the link for the free Photopea is in the description below this video. And you just saw the video on how to make these, so there you go. Also made some images for ThriveCart. Okay, pretty easy. And I took these plus the license and I put it together. And these, I put that together. I put them in Amazon S3. Now, if you don't know how to do this, I'm going to eventually put some videos on this channel to see how to do this, but this is not hard to do. You could put this on your WordPress site, or you can even put in your Dropbox, but this is where I put them. And if you have Dropbox, that would be good enough. Next, I started to build out ThriveCart, and this is the sales page. It's not done, obviously. This is where the video would be. There's a headline, subhead, and I was going to put all kinds of text under here, but you know what? I'm going to have a short video, just get to the point, because you're going to get the first 6 sheets for free, plus the lead magnet for free, and the bump will be $7. So if you want the rest, $7. So I don't need a whole sales page for that. So this will be a 2 or 3 minute video. Buy button. I'm having some people look at the product, so I'll get some testimonials. And there's this, another headline. That's all done. I have to finish this up, and that's done. So there will also be a coupon. So you put the coupon code in there, and this will be zeroed out. And if you want this, it's $7. It'll be easy. And the success page will look something like this. I have to put this in here and fix that up. This will be the link, and you download your stuff, and it's done. This is all in ThriveCart. I'll put a link in the description for ThriveCart. Right now, it's having a special offer where it's a lifetime account, meaning you pay once and that's it. I got this a while ago, and they started doing it again. So this is a limited offer. And also, and this is not in this sales page for some reason, but when you get ThriveCart in this special offer, you're going to get the Learn module, which is how to make courses, and it's free. Free. There is an upsell, but you can get it for free, and it's unbelievable. It's basically a substitute for Teachable, Thinkific, and Kajabi. So you get that for free. So there will be a link in the description to get this. I highly recommend it. Also in ThriveCart, I'm going to add all the rules so they get on your email list when they buy the product. Kind of cool. You could tag it. You could do anything. I love ThriveCart. So hopefully I'll get everything done by Friday's video, and you'll see what it looks like. Get the free version and get the bump for $7. Get the whole schmeal. And if you have any comments, questions, put them in the comment section below this video. If you're on my email list, send me an email. How you like this? Is this a great idea or what? Okay. So tomorrow, hopefully, I'm going to finish ThriveCart, get everything fixed up, and make a video about it to put on ThriveCart, the page and everything. And this is all working out really well. Hopefully by Friday, this will be all done, and I'll put the sales page on that video, hopefully this Friday. And I'll put a coupon to get the first 6 cheat sheets plus the lead magnet. Free. And I'll put a little bump to get the rest. $7. How's that? Not a lot of money. And why am I doing that? Because if I just give it all away, I don't think there's any value. So half of it, $7, get the rest. And it's a great product. It's from Jimmy D. Brown. You can't lose. It's wonderful. So you'll see this entire thing happening all this week. And maybe I'll put all these videos in a playlist, and you could just watch them one by one and see the progress. The biggest question that most people have is, once I have the PLR, what do I do with it? Well, that's what these videos are about. And I'm going to make other ones. I'll show you how to make maybe a course, other different types of products. I don't know. We'll figure it out. So be sure to get that PLR ideas checklist. There's a link below this video. Get that. Get on my email list. Make sure how to do this. And you're really, once you get this, you'll have these skills forever, and you'll be in a real business. So I am Brian Toder with PLR Ideas, where I talk about PLR, use PLR, and how to make money with PLR. We'll talk soon.